Hello everyone, Muskan here again. Today I am going to present a PPT on the challenges faced by children who thrive to achieve better every day. First slide shows the base of child growth. How we as parents and teachers shape our children is the most important factor and without pressurizing them. First, we are not talking about only marks and exams, but the mental and physical well being of children. Secondly, a child learns best when the mind is in calm and peaceful state. And third, our aim is simple to reduce pressure on children and build their interest in fun way. Next slide, the sponge effect. Children copy what they see. Children learn by watching adults, which includes emotional mirroring, which means imitating other person's body language, expressions, or emotions. Like a child is aggressive when he sees an adult is aggressive. Secondly, home and school atmosphere should be friendly and peaceful. And lastly, a safe environment and learning zone should be created to build the child's mental health better. Next slide focuses on daily care for child's mind, nervous system, where child cannot calm themselves alone and needs an adult to calm their mind, which is called co-regulation. We can't directly say don't cry. Uh, to co-regulate, we need to say instead of don't cry, are you tired, upset or worried? Basic daily needs includes 9 to 10 hours of sleep. Regular good food reduces anger and low focus. Lastly, 30 minutes of activities like playing reduces stress. Next slide. Smart study, less time, better learning. The children can use Pomodoro technique of study 25 minutes and reading again and again weakens memory. And it is mandatory to take a break of 5 minutes. For active recall, close the book, explain the things in your own word what you have learned, sharpens memory. Lastly, Feynman technique, which is a very effective psychological technique like making flowcharts, mind maps, drawing, which makes the memory better of the child, can be used for effective learning. Next slide, digital wellness. How we use the digital media, the social medias is very important because it affects our mental health. Passive scrolling and active scrolling, how we use, like are we gaining knowledge or not, that is the most important thing. And important rules for children: no screen at least 1 hour before sleep, and blue light reduces sleep quality. Screen rules works only if parents follow the same. Next slide, how teachers can make a safe classroom and build a friendly environment by using the behavioral techniques like praising children not only for marks but with few steps of small steps of growth, and the humanistic approach of building a good relationship with children, which would definitely enhance their learning capacity and attention in a classroom. Red flags, or when should adults pay attention, like the behavioral changes in the children, like sudden anger, silence, not socializing with friends, avoiding them, loss of interest in doing the things which they like, no hobbies, nothing, physical complaints like stomach pain, headaches, when even though there is no medical reason, lack of interest in any activity, very lazy, and the simple daily check which parents can do is that from 1 to 10, from how heavy does your heart or head feel today, or these signs do not mean mental illness. If continue for weeks, then only the parents should take their child for professional help, to seek professional help. Simple summary: the optimum welfare way. Environment is the soil, mental health is the water, smart study is the seed. The results are a child who learns better and grows as a balanced, confident human being. When adults change first, children follow naturally. They are able to click quickly that when the behavior is changing, and they adapt the same things. Contact and support help of the official Optimum Welfare Foundation, the helpline number, the email are given for any help which you need for your child. Thank you very much.